Hey, we're back.
And we're here to make some chicken and waffles.
Going to be yummy.
You think it's gonna be yummy?
Yeah?
I do too. Let's go, man. Alright, so we got those fillets ready to go. Again, guys, remember we baptize chickens down here in the South. So with this, again, we're doing the Chick-fil-A fillet recipe. So we're going to be using pickle juice. That's the hack of this thing, is the pickle juice there. We're going to put it in a bag so that we're marinating it.